Today we are going to learn how to solve captchas with captcha API keys. So without due, let's get into the video. After opening SilverBullet 1.12, we'll go to setting. Here, general, we'll see captcha written on it. So we click on captcha and first we delete all the captchas and save. So it will show like this. So you have here option. You can use any site captcha APIs. To captcha, anti captcha, custom to captcha, date by captcha. Here many sites present here. So we will use to captcha API. So in this form we have to put our API key. So I have my own API key. I will paste it here. And how can you get API key? So let me show you first. Suppose you are going to buy to captcha API. You just have to search here to captcha. After getting enter, you will see tocaptcha.com. Here is a website and sign up etc will be here. So you can buy API keys from here. And so let's go to the main part. So as I have tocaptcha API, I will paste it here, copy it and paste it here. Then I can check balance here. Here you can see my balance is 0.0127. So I'll just save it. And now is the main part. Go to any configs. I will name this demo 1. Okay. So after opening this, let's go any captcha site like recaptcha version 2 demo. Let's go to it recaptcha, Google recaptcha demo. Okay, here is the recaptcha. I am not a robot. So to solve this captcha with OpenAPI, you have to select solve captcha in OpenBullet SilverBullet 1. Then you will click on it, solve captcha. The level will be this, and recaptcha type will be default recaptcha version 2. You will get many kind: text captcha, image captcha, fun captcha, recaptcha version 3, h captcha, key captcha, g captcha, cap captcha, etc. So we will go for recaptcha version 2. Here two things will be needed: site key and site URL. So what is site key? Let's go in the demo option. When you see Google recaptcha version 2 demo, will inspect Ctrl Shift I, or you can just click on the right button of the mouse and here you will be seen inspect. Then go to network tab. Here is the network tab. Just refresh it. Here you can see Anchor written on it. In the Anchor, here is a payload K equal to L. So this is the site key. We'll paste it here and site URL will be this. Okay, just paste it here. Then simply just hit enter and wait for a couple of time. Here we can see that variables captcha ID is this and solution is this. So this is our solution for this site recaptcha. So how can we understand that our solution is this solution is right or legit? So let me show you. Just clear all this, and if we click I am not robot, Here is a skip. So there is verification. Okay. I am not robot is all mark. So in the reload option, in the response we will get this 03FCWA. This is the solve of this reCAPTCHA, and our key is start with 03FCW. If I am not wrong, our captcha solver is good to go. So this we can see the captcha solution. After using this in a payload or get or post method, just name this solution like this. Suppose I am going for a post method of some website. Here in the post data, in the with the data username password, user and password, captcha will be solution. This after you post this in a post data, you will see it will work. So this is the SilverBullet edition 1.1.2. I hope you guys understand, and if you guys find this video informative and educational, please do a subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you for seeing. Goodbye.